Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. SAFA has issued an update that Themba Zwane is still suspended for Bafana Bafana's final 2026 FIFA World Cup Group A match against South Korea at Estadio Monterrey on Thursday. Bafana Bafana vice captain was red carded during the tournament opener against Mexico on the 11th of June, initially sanctioned for one match. But FIFA upgraded Zwane's suspension to 3 matches, potentially ruling him out for the rest of the tournament. And SAFA had indicated that they would appeal against FIFA's ruling, meaning that without an upgrade on his suspension, Themba Zwane would have been available for the South Korea game. Because Bafana Bafana are going in a game where a defeat or a draw will mean that they will be out of the FIFA World Cup. They need a straight win in order for them to stand a chance to qualify for the round of 32. So here's a statement from SAFA. It says Bafana Bafana will be without Themba Zwane and Teboho Mokoena, who are both serving suspensions. Zwane is serving a 3-match suspension. He was handed by the FIFA disciplinary committee following the red card he received in the tournament opening game against Mexico last week. Spepelos Tole also received a red card in that match against Mexico, but is available for selection against South Korea after serving his 1-match suspension. And Mokoena is suspended for the game against South Korea after picking up a second yellow card in Atlanta on Thursday. So that's the statement from SAFA. So it means that probably they did appeal Themba Zwane's punishment and the appeal got rejected. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Themba Zwane being unavailable for Bafana Bafana due to a 3-match suspension that FIFA disciplinary committee handed to him? And in other news, Mamelodi Sundowns have turned down an offer from Austrian Bundesliga side SV Ried for Malibongwe Khoza. The Austrian Bundesliga side wanted the player on loan with an option to buy with a fee on top. This move could see the young defender being exposed to a higher level of football, as he will also get an opportunity to compete with the likes of RB Salzburg and potentially play European football. Khoza hasn't seen much game time last season. He only made 11 appearances in all competitions for Mamelodi Sundowns and he scored 1 goal in the MTN 8. Overall, he has made 41 appearances since making his debut in September 2024. The 22-year-old has won the league and the Champions League title with Mamelodi Sundowns during his career at Sundowns. Last season, he was even playing some games in the DStv Diski Challenge. So you wonder why Mamelodi Sundowns are refusing to loan him with an option to sell. They could just loan him with no option, so that he can get game time, especially to a European team that they do not compete with. And probably they have a good relationship with SV Ried, as they have bought Antonio van Wyk from the same team, SV Ried. Yeah, it seems like SV Ried really likes South African players because they keep coming back for more. Already Antonio van Wyk was there, Yusuf Mat was there, and now they have completed the move of another player from South Africa, winger Jaden Rhodes. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Mamelodi Sundowns turning down a loan move for Malibongwe Khoza? Because remember, there's so much competition in Mamelodi Sundowns because there's the likes of Mtobi Mvala, who returned from injury, and Khulumani Ndamane, who was bought from TS Galaxy just last season, to add to already what they have, to add to an already experienced and capable backline, the likes of Grant Kekana and Keanu Cupido. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this offer from Austrian Bundesliga side SV Ried? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.